guys. Kain po tayo almusal, breakfast. So, talong, pritong talong at munting biplop. Kain sa mahirap. Don't forget to subscribe my Sweetie Sleep channel, Lisa. Please like and share. Push the notification. Kain po tayo guys. Talong at saka biplop. Thank you for watching.